Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
I will show an easy factory data reset method for Redmi phones today. First, back up important data like contacts, photos, and app data to external storage. Use Google Drive, MyCloud, or copy files to a PC or micro SD card. Ensure the battery is at least 50% charged or connect the charger before proceeding. Know your My Account credentials and phone PIN or pattern to avoid lockouts. Unlock OEM or developer options only if specifically instructed later. Do not toggle settings randomly to avoid complications. Open settings from the app drawer or swipe down and tap the gear icon. Scroll to About Phone and then tap Backup and Reset or Factory Reset. Choose Erase All Data, Factory Reset, and read the warning about data loss. Tap Reset Phone, enter your PIN or password, and tap Delete All. The phone will reboot and perform the factory reset automatically. Wait patiently. Ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection for restoring cloud backups. After reboot, follow the setup wizard to restore backups and sign into your My Account. Power off the Redmi completely by holding the power button and selecting Power Off. Press and hold volume up and power simultaneously until the My logo appears. Release buttons when recovery menu shows, then use volume keys to navigate options. Select Wipe Data, then confirm by choosing Wipe All Data or Format Data. After the wipe, reboot the system now and complete setup, restoring your backups. If device is locked to a My Account, sign in to the same account to regain access. Contact Xiaomi support only if you cannot unlock the account after these steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.